Meaning of ferry boat.
Ferry boat.
Ferry boat.
Ferry boat.
Ferry boat. A ferry boat is a type of transport vessel that is designed to transport passengers, vehicles, and cargo across a body of water. Typically, it operates on a regular schedule and follows a fixed route between two or more ports. Ferry boats are common in areas where water travel is necessary for transportation, such as coastal areas, islands, and river systems. They are usually larger than water taxis and smaller than passenger ships. The term ferry can also refer to the act of transporting people or goods over water, either by boat or by other means.